Meet the axolotl, also known as Ambystoma mexicanum, or if you're in a rush, just call it the Mexican walking fish. But wait, it's not a fish. It's actually an amphibian. Stay to the end to learn an important lesson it can teach us. You see, most amphibians go through metamorphosis. Tadpoles become frogs. Salamander larvae become land-dwelling adults. But axolotls? They said, nah, I'm good, and stayed in their aquatic, larva-like form for life. This forever young lifestyle is called neoteny. This means the retention of juvenile features into adulthood. That's why axolotls keep their gills, live underwater, and look like they're always smiling. Check out those feathery external gills. They're like fuzzy antennae, but they're actually super efficient oxygen filters. And don't worry, they also have lungs and can breathe air, because, you know, why not? Now, let's talk regeneration. If an axolotl loses a leg, it grows it back. Lose a tail? No problem. Lose part of the heart or brain? You guessed it, regrows. In labs around the world, scientists study axolotls for clues about regeneration and healing. Who knows, maybe one day we will be able to grow new organs too. Axolotls are native to Lake Xochimilco in Mexico. Unfortunately, pollution, habitat loss, and invasive species have made them critically endangered in the wild. But thanks to research centers and pet axolotl enthusiasts, they're still making waves. They're carnivores, by the way. They'll munch on worms and crustaceans like shrimp. So let's recap. Axolotls are amphibians that stay young forever. They live underwater, breathe through gills and lungs. They can regrow almost anything. They're a big deal in medical research, and they need our help to survive in the wild. We can learn a good lesson from the axolotl. In Ezekiel 36:26, it says, "A new heart also will I give you, and a new spirit within you. And I will take away the stony heart out of your flesh, and will give you a heart of flesh." Just like the axolotl can regrow new body parts, God can create a new heart in us. This new heart is full of love and kindness. When we accept Jesus, He will live in us, and His love will shine out of our hearts to others. So let's invite Jesus in so we can experience His love in our hearts and see how it will help others too. Quiz time. Which of these is not an amphibian? Turtle. So next time you see an axolotl, think of how God can create a new heart in us and give us a life full of love. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay full of Jesus. Special thanks to the Shark Lab Kids Club members.